Hi everyone! Today I will be showing you a cool variation to just a standard square knot pattern. So this is going to be a long chain. So for this pattern you can use it in placement of anything that you would usually just use square knots. So in bracelets or in the long sections of plant hangers, you can use this for a wall hanging. It's going to be a very versatile pattern. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get right into it and get started. You're going to need to use 2 ropes for this so that you have 4 strings hanging down when you attach with a lark's head knot. You can use all the same color or 2 different colors. If you use 2 different colors, make sure that you have one color right in the middle and the other color on either side of that. You can do this by just attaching those together with a lark's head knot. Our first step then is to just tie 1 square knot. I will take the string here on the far right to cross over my 2 ropes in the middle. Then the string on the left goes over that rope, behind the 2 in the middle, and through the loop. And then I pull that tight. Then I take the side on the left to cross over the 2 in the middle. The string on the right goes over that, behind the 2, and through the loop. And I pull it tight. Now I'm going to use my yellow strings that are in the center to tie vertical lark's head knots around my 2 sides. So I'll start with the one on the left. And I'm going to take it right in front of my neutral color that's here on the left, and I'm going to wrap it around so it kind of comes through. And then I'm going to take it behind that rope and send it around and through the little loop. Just like that. And I'm going to slide it up so it's up where I want it to be, and I'm just going to pull on the ropes to tighten them. Just like that. And I did leave a little bit of a gap right here between the square knot. That is optional. You can push it all the way up top if you would like, or you can leave as much space as you would like. That is a personal preference, so you can choose what you would like to do there. And now I'm going to repeat this on the right side. So I'm going to take the yellow rope on the right, take it over the neutral color that's on the right, send the yellow around that to go through the loop. Then I'm going to take the yellow rope behind my neutral color, then twist it around and through the loop. And then I'm just going to pull on everything to adjust the placement and the tightness. Just like that. And now I'm going to go back through and tie a square knot right below. So again, I'll take the string that's on the right to cross over the 2 in the middle, take my left side over that, behind the 2 and through, and then I just give that a tug to tighten it up. And I'm also going to leave a little gap, about as much space as I had left up here. And then I'm going to finish my square knot by taking that left side over. Just like that. And that is how you do this cool pattern. So we're just going to go back and repeat the previous step where we take our yellow ropes here in the middle to tie vertical lark's head knots on the 2 outer edges. So there you guys go. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. Not too complicated with the knots we're using, but it adds a very beautiful pattern that would look pretty in any kind of project you want a long chain. You could even just stop at one and do it in shorter sections. I think that would be pretty in wall hangings. If you use multiple colors, it's another fun way to add that pop of color. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And thank you so much for watching.